And I FaceTime a lot while face masking.
Your
And
man?
that's always...
Your
Yes.
man? Oh, you're at that stage. You're at that stage now where you FaceTime your man with the mask?
You know, we're almost there. I actually haven't yet, but FaceTiming while face masking, that's a true step in a relationship.
How do we look? Good? Great? Amazing? Is she ready? Is she ready? I'm terrified.
Woo!
You did it!
Cheers to Masked and Answered! Hey, I'm Maya Allen. I'm the digital beauty editor at Marie Claire.
And I'm Taylor Glenn. I'm the associate beauty editor at Marie Claire.
And we're so excited. We're cheersing to our first ever Masked and Answered episode. Masked and Answered is Marie Claire's new show all about face masking and chilling with friends and answering all of your beauty questions. So let's get started. Cheers! Our first inaugural face mask is this Glam Glow glitter mask. It's a firming mask. So on today's episode, we're gonna answer all of your beauty questions about dry skin, combination skin, acne-prone skin. We're your girls. Dry, flaky skin, nothing works. Please help.
Okay.
I feel you. First off, dry skin is literally my biggest skincare concern. It's the worst.
I have a radiator in my apartment. Very dry heat. A lot of the time when I wake up in the morning, I'm a little bit red, I'm a little bit patchy. So a lot of my work in the morning is getting my skin to look moisturized and healthy before I put on my makeup.
My biggest piece of advice is switching from a lightweight moisturizer to a bit of a thicker, creamy moisturizer that really hydrates and nourishes your skin. Look for hyaluronic acid. It's one of my favorite ingredients of all time. We do a face mask. Trying a hydrating mask in the evenings or in the mornings when you wake up, when you feel like your skin is, tight or feeling dry, will really hydrate you throughout your beauty sleep or throughout the day. So I highly suggest finding a hydrating mask. I have so many favorites.
My T-zone becomes so dry and flaky during winters, and my left cheek too.
Skin is weird. T-zone. I have an oily T-zone, though it's actually the opposite of yours. Face oils are truly a saving grace in the winter, especially if you take a small little dollop and you just sort of pat it into your T-zone area and let it marinate. It will really help with hydration.
Mm-hmm. And even if you're oily, don't let the word oil scare you, because a lot of the time that T-zone is what really needs the nutrients. So either way, whether you're dry or oily, treating your T-zone with a lightweight oil might really help you.
Next question. White flakes are on my nose and they're really disgusting. Any product that might help in the long term? First off, flaky skin is not disgusting. It's human. We all get dry, flaky skin sometimes, including me. Why don't you do a clay mask and let that sort of sit on your skin? All of the impurities, especially on your nose area, will be drawn from the skin and it'll relieve you from all of those flakes.
Another thing I like to do when I get flakes on my nose, which is all of the time because I'm always dry, is I like to do a gentle exfoliation. So I wouldn't recommend something that's super physical, like, a walnut scrub or anything too harsh, but there are some really nice mild exfoliators that are even chemical exfoliators, which just means it's using an acid to buff off those flakes. And that'll give you a really nice finish. Even if you have sensitive skin, it's totally fine to use. All right, my turn. How to take care of rosacea in the winter. For those of you who don't know, rosacea causes a lot of redness in the skin. Dr. Jart has a really nice Sicca Cream collection, and he has this green fluid that I use. All you do is tap a little bit of this very light green fluid all over your face and buff it out, and it totally neutralizes the redness. Chapped lips that peel. Am I supposed to exfoliate every day as well?
Buy yourself a lip scrub, keep it in your medicine cabinet in the bathroom, rub it around your lips, let it sort of sit and soak up and take it all off. It will literally remove all of the dead skin cells, all of the flakes in your lips. It will just create like a soft veil across your lips and feel so good.
A good rule of thumb for me is I have sensitive lips, so if it starts to sting a little bit, I just stop. You don't have to go crazy with it. You don't have to think that, you're scrubbing off an entire layer. Just anything that should be buffed away will come off very easily.
There's even lip masks these days. Don't you have a favorite?
Have you used Laneige's?
No.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It comes in this little pot, and I do that thing where I put it all around my lips in a really ugly way that I would never do in front of my boyfriend. But when I sleep alone, that's what I do. And it just plumps them in a way that no other mask does.
Okay, now let's talk about acne. Ugh, the worst.
It can ruin a day.
Truly.
acne on the back solutions.
Acne. It happens to the best of us.
So this is a really good one. So you may be getting acne on your back if your conditioner is clogging your pores. So what I would recommend is switch up both your shampoo and conditioner and see if there's a difference. And if you go to the gym a lot and you're one to wait to shower when you get home, try not, because a lot of the time if you're wearing your sweaty clothes from the gym on your back for too long, a lot of that can get into your pores and cause, even a little infection if you don't wash it off. So my boyfriends notoriously all have had very clean backs because they used to work out a lot and they'd always complain about it. So I would kind of go a little bit Planet Earth on them and just pop all of them on the back, kind of like a chimpanzee a little bit. Yeah, like an orangutan. It was gross, but,
I mean, gotta do what you gotta do.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Cystic acne solutions. I would say you have to go to a dermatologist. It's just so important to get a professional's opinion. Don't try to pop your pimples. I repeat, do not try to pop your pimples. You will end up with dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So just have patience.
Is your face getting tight? I can feel it.
Yeah.
How's it look? Tight?
Woo, it's so tight. Taylor.
I can't put my face.
I can't feel my face when I'm with you. Shout out to the
we
weekend.
love it.
All right, it's time to take these off.
It's time. Damn.
You look good, girl.
Look at your skin.
Thanks. My pores. They feel like they've just had a deep clean with a vacuum.
I know. And I like that it feels a little bit contouring, especially for my party chin.
I agree. Wait, party chin? What's that?
So, after you drink, you eat really salty food. I had cheeseburgers and martinis last night. So you have that little, it's like a little hammock of bloating. So a contouring mask, I like to put it on my neck and my décolletage just to lift things back up again, hide the party chin.
Hungover skin. I know it all too well. Yeah, I agree. I'm all about a sculpted, snatched skin effect. I feel like this mask is definitely great for that.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching our first ever Masked and Answered episode. Subscribe to Marie Claire's YouTube channel, like this video, and comment below which mask you want me to review next.
Well, I'll be back as a guest if she'll have me.
Face
Will you?
masking is always so much better with friends.
Agreed. Cheers.
Cheers. Woo. Oh my God, there's something so oddly satisfying about. Look at that. Ew. Face mask ASMR.
Ooh. Look at that. Does that look like me? That's terrifying.